Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Glenn here. Welcome back to another Transformers review. And again, we are reviewing the G2 Combiner War Superion. And today we will be reviewing this lovely fella, Air Raid. And let's get him out of the box and take a closer look. And here we have Deluxe Class Air Raid in his vehicle mode, obviously. Here he is. Pretty nice. I actually really like Air Raid's vehicle mode. It actually looks really cool looking. Nice and silver. Some black. The G2 logo and a number 2. Number 2 there and a number 2 there. I like how the wings are positioned on this one. It actually looks really cool. Here's the bottom. Lots of kibble and all that crap, but who cares? But you can indeed. Pretty sure he's got landing gear. I think so anyway. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't think he does. Never mind. I guess he don't. Actually, he might have landing gear, but I don't know where the hell it is. Actually, now that I think about it. Oh well. That's okay. He can sit perfectly fine like that without landing gear. But for the accessories that come with Air Raid, you have another foot apparatus or arm or hand, whatever. Because he is a foot. And his blue blaster of sorts, just cast in blue paint. And there you go. We'll get more into that when we get him into robot mode. But yeah, Air Raid. He is indeed a foot for Superion. We're actually coming very close to getting him combined up and being actually done. I probably would have been done a while back, but I mean, I reviewed more NECA stuff than Cybertron Hotshot. If you did not see that, go watch those. But we will indeed get him transformed up into his robot mode. So first thing you want to do is you just want to bring these out and fold them up like so. Fold these sections up like that. Then what you want to do here is you want to take this section up top. Actually, if you can fold it up, and it will just peg into those little holes there like that. Fold these back now. Rotate the head around, untab the arms, and just rotate the arm up, untab it, fold it up. Yeah, there we go. Then take these two sections and just untab both sections and just fold it down. Make sure they're aligned and just tab it in. Maybe. 1 second. And now that you got those sections tabbed in, here we have Air Raid in his robot mode. And there you go. Stand up. There we go. Now take a closer look. Nice white and silver all over his body except for the back, because it's blue. All kinds of blue. Which is fine. It actually looks really good. But you got a G2 symbol right there. his head sculpt looks pretty good. All the detail on this figure is just as good as the other ones that I've reviewed so far. And there you go. And if we bring back his blaster, kind of indeed tab it into his hand. And there you go. There's how that looks. But for articulation, his head can indeed rotate all the way around if you want, because of transformation. Up that far, down that far, some in and out at the shoulder, some rotation at the shoulder, bend at the elbow, rotation at the bicep, rotation at the waist, rotation at the leg, high kick, back kick, knee bend. No pivot because it's slanted, so there you go. And there you go. And now we'll indeed get this guy into foot mode, but for that I will transform him back to jet mode, then I will come back. Okay, now that we have him back in jet mode, all we want to do now is fold these up like so. Fold this up. Actually, 1 second. Okay, now what we want to do is just take this, fold it down, tap that in, just take this, fold it all the way up, like so, and come here and take this little foot doohickey thing, and there you go. And there you have Air Raid in combined mode. A good old foot. Yep, that's all it is to it. Just a good old foot. And there you go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed and liked it. And I will see you guys in the next review. And hopefully finishing off G2 Superion. I have one more figure in this section. Then we will actually get him combined up and finished. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next review. Peace out.